First, place bow assemblies on flat surface and spread bows out so straps are flat. Starting at one end, connect bows until button pin engages, then repeat for remaining bows. Place driver's side rail next to driver's side bows and passenger side rail next to passenger side bows. Remove bolt from front bow and secure onto front brace bracket of side rail with bolt and nut using Allen wrench. Then repeat with front bow on opposite side. Repeat to attach remaining bows to side rails to complete frame. Next, position assembled frame on box. Install first clamp as close to front of box as possible, then finger tighten. Install second clamp as close to tailgate as possible, then finger tighten. Repeat to install clamps on opposite side. Ensure bulkhead is clean. Wipe top surface with alcohol pad. Peeling protective backing as you go, align bulkhead seal at one corner across box to opposite corner and cut to length. Then firmly press down on seal. Next, slide front bar onto channel of soft top front panel. Then position front panel between cab window and frame. Unfold soft top over frame. Then press front bar into side rail openings. Starting at one end, wrap fabric flaps around front bow and secure with snaps. Then wrap fabric flaps around second bow and secure with hook and loop. Repeat process for third bow. Next, wrap fabric flaps around rear bow and secure with snaps. Then slide rear bar onto rear panel channel. Use zippers to attach rear panel. Secure zipper with hook and loop. Then press rear bar into side rail openings. Torque all clamps to 10 foot-pounds. On side of the frame, use zipper to attach side panel. Then completely close top and sides. Secure bottom of side panel with plastic strip under channel in side rail. Secure topper corner at front and rear with plastic strip under channel and side rail corner. Seal top and sides of topper with hook and loop. Then repeat for opposite side. Next, loosen wing nut on rear brace bracket. Remove rear support brace from storage strap and install under wing nut of rear brace. Then tighten wing nut. Repeat process on opposite side. Then close tailgate.